Hi neighbors, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen. I'm gonna make a drink, a coffee martini, an espresso martini. I've been watching a couple of my friends out there on YouTube, like Cocktail Tony and Cam Cuz doing his series from Flour, Eggs, and Yeast, and I thought, these guys are having a good time. Why can't Jerry have a good time? I'm gonna have a good time too. I've been chilling my glasses here, my cocktail glasses, with some ice. I'm going to use that ice in my shaker here. And since I'm making two, I'm doubling the recipe here. This is a double shot of espresso and 2 shots of vodka. This is 50 mils a shot on this here. So 1 and 2 shots of Kahlua. And that's about 25 mils on this side of this particular one anyway. Okay, now I'm going to shake this like crazy.
You want it to be all nice and frothy. The coffee smells nice.
And if I had like a little strainer thing, I would use it, but I got some holes in this. It still comes out good. Wait a second. Look at that. Oh, come over. Oh my gosh. So good. Hope you give it a try. Cheers, everyone. Those channels that I just mentioned that inspired me to make this drink, I'll put the links below. Peace, God bless, love you all. Stay safe out there. Help one another, love each other, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye.